this right here real quick. So everybody said that this is photoshopped and everything, man. Let's go right here. So here's your object right there. See it? Object right there. Got your object right here. See it? Right there. Ain't nobody Photoshop. Ain't nobody do anything. Ain't nobody Photoshop. You want Photoshop? Scott Sion has a lot of Photoshop there. So here's your object right there. Matter of fact, your object's right here too. Watch. Check out your object right here. Your object's right there too. Watch. I think I got it right here already. Yeah. Right here. You see, there's your object right here hiding in there too. Yeah, you know, none of you guys want to believe in this stuff. Well, it's not my fault. You guys believe in fraud. You guys believe in lens flares, chasing clouds, and want to believe in Photoshop stuff. I don't Photoshop. Don't need to. I don't need a Photoshop at all. So this is where the object's at right here. See it? There's your object right there, and that was today too, on the 19th, right there. We caught that object too. So I'll be doing a video. I'll be showing you guys the videos right now. I want to call a lot of stuff photoshopped and everything, but here you are, man. Here's your guys' object right there. Here's your guys' object right there. See object right there? It's not no plasma. It's not no plasma or no CME. Please. That's no plasma or CME. That's a freaking planet. That's a planet. See, you got your planet right here, right by the sun. Watch. You see, that's the planet right there. Right by the sun right there. You see it? Yeah, that's your planet right there, right by the sun. It's kind of weird, huh? Get ground photographs that have the same object by what NASA has, but then again, we're all photoshoppers, right? And I'm sorry. There's your object again. There's your flare. There it is again. Yeah. Like I said, there's a lot of people out there that are showing you guys a lot of fraud. I mean, they're calling lens flares planets, showing you guys clouds that are calling them planets when they're not. When you actually got the planet right there, right by the sun. You guys are seeing it for yourself right there. Same location, same thing. You got Mercury right there. Ain't that crazy, huh? Look at that. Sorry guys, but I don't Photoshop. Let's move on and let's get on about that. But yep, that's what you guys are looking at right there. That's right there, right by the sun. Right there. That's what you guys are looking at right there, right by the sun. Right there. Don't know what to tell you guys, but that's what we're looking at. Till then, guys, take care. God bless you guys. Have a plan. Don't know when this is going to happen. So many people are coming out with fake dates when they don't really even know. And just be careful, guys. Be careful who you guys follow out there, because a lot of people ain't telling you guys the truth. I gotta tell you right now, this photograph right here from the UK came out way better than what PlanetXHunter shows. So, till then, guys, I love you guys.